The Nighttime Secret: Why Your Kidneys Need Extra Support After 60. Have you ever woken up feeling heavy, bloated, or just not as refreshed as you'd like? If you're over 60, you're not alone. As we age, our kidneys, the body's natural filters, work harder to remove toxins, balance fluids, and keep us healthy. But years of wear and tear, medications, and even the foods we eat can slow them down, leaving us feeling tired, swollen, or at risk for more serious health problems. But what if I told you that you could help your kidneys do their job while you sleep, just by adding a few simple fruits to your evening routine? Science now shows that certain fruits can help your kidneys flush out toxins, reduce inflammation, and support your body's natural detox process overnight. No expensive supplements, no complicated diets, just real, delicious food. Today, I'll reveal the top 4 fruits that help your kidneys flush out toxins while you sleep, plus how to enjoy them for maximum benefit. If you want to wake up feeling lighter, protect your kidneys, and support your overall health, this video is for you. Let's start by understanding why kidney health is so important, especially for seniors. Your kidneys process about 200 quarts of blood every day, removing waste, balancing minerals, and keeping your blood pressure in check. But with age, high blood pressure, diabetes, or even just years of living can make your kidneys less efficient. That's why it's so important to support them with the right foods, especially at night when your body does most of its repair work. So what makes certain fruits so powerful for kidney health? The answer is in their unique mix of antioxidants, fiber, vitamins, and natural compounds that help reduce inflammation, support detoxification, and keep your kidneys working at their best. But not all fruits are created equal. Some are high in potassium or sugar, which can be risky for people with kidney issues. The 4 fruits I'm about to share are not only safe for most seniors, but they're also proven to help your kidneys flush out toxins while you sleep. Let's dive in. The top 4 fruits for nighttime kidney detox and how to enjoy them. 1. Apples, the gentle cleanser. Apples are often called nature's broom for a reason. They're rich in pectin, a type of soluble fiber that helps bind toxins and cholesterol in your digestive tract, making it easier for your kidneys to filter them out. Apples are also low in potassium, making them a safe choice for most people with kidney concerns. The antioxidants in apples help reduce inflammation and protect your kidney cells from damage. How to enjoy. Eat a small apple in the evening, sliced with a bit of cinnamon for extra anti-inflammatory power. You can also add apple slices to a bowl of plain yogurt for a gentle, satisfying snack. 2. Blueberries, the antioxidant powerhouse. Blueberries are packed with anthocyanins, powerful antioxidants that help reduce inflammation and oxidative stress in your kidneys. They're also low in potassium and sugar, making them ideal for a nighttime snack. Studies show that regular blueberry consumption can help lower blood pressure, improve blood vessel health, and support your kidney's natural detox process. How to enjoy. A small handful of fresh or frozen blueberries before bed or stirred into oatmeal or a smoothie can give your kidneys a gentle boost while you sleep. 3. Red grapes, the vascular protector. Red grapes contain resveratrol, a natural compound that helps repair kidney cells, reduce inflammation, and keep your blood vessels flexible. This is especially important for seniors, as healthy blood flow is key to efficient kidney function. Red grapes are also hydrating and low in potassium, making them a safe, sweet treat. How to enjoy. Wash and chill a small bunch of red grapes and enjoy them as a dessert after dinner. You can also slice them into a fruit salad with apples and blueberries for a powerful kidney-friendly combo. 4. Pineapple, the tropical detoxifier. Pineapple is a surprising kidney hero. It's low in potassium, high in vitamin C, and contains bromelain, a natural enzyme that helps reduce inflammation and support digestion. Pineapple's natural sweetness can satisfy cravings without spiking your blood sugar, and its anti-inflammatory properties help your kidneys recover from daily stress. How to enjoy. Cut fresh pineapple into small chunks and eat a few pieces after dinner, or blend into a refreshing evening smoothie with a handful of blueberries and a splash of water. Bonus tips for nighttime kidney support. Stay hydrated, but don't overdo it before bed. Sip water throughout the day and have a small glass with your evening fruit. Avoid high potassium fruits like bananas and oranges if you have advanced kidney disease. Stick to the 4 listed here. Pair your fruit with a little protein or healthy fat, like a spoonful of Greek yogurt or a few almonds, to keep your blood sugar stable overnight. Keep portions moderate. Too much fruit at once can add extra sugar and stress your kidneys. Supporting your kidneys doesn't have to be complicated or expensive. By adding apples, blueberries, red grapes, and pineapple to your evening routine, you can help your body flush out toxins, reduce inflammation, and wake up feeling lighter and more energized. Remember, small changes add up, especially when it comes to your health after 60. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with someone who cares about their kidney health. And let me know in the comments, which fruit will you try tonight? Here's to restful nights, healthy kidneys, and a stronger, happier you starting now.